Which synonym belongs to nominal? The correct answer is normal. Which synonym belongs to platitude? The correct answer is cliché. Which synonym belongs to ambiguous? The correct answer is equivocal. Which synonym belongs to deus? The correct answer is podium. Which synonym belongs to hypochondriac? The correct answer is valetudinarian. Which synonym belongs to maverick? The correct answer is heteroclite. Which synonym belongs to peculate? The correct answer is misappropriate. Which synonym belongs to agenda? The correct answer is work list. Which synonym belongs to grandiloquence? The correct answer is rhetoric. Which synonym belongs to courier? The correct answer is tourist guide. Which synonym belongs to vouchsafe? The correct answer is deign. Which synonym belongs to concoct? The correct answer is plot. Which synonym belongs to podiatrist? The correct answer is chiropodist. Which synonym belongs to dabble? The correct answer is spatter. Which synonym belongs to dulcet? The correct answer is birdsweet. Which synonym belongs to generate? The correct answer is create. Which synonym belongs to morbid? The correct answer is sick. Which synonym belongs to spatula? The correct answer is scraper. Which synonym belongs to insensible? The correct answer is insensitive. Which synonym belongs to misanthrope? The correct answer is misanthropist.